Let's start with our demo. Today we are going to build a simple model which will differentiate between apple and banana using our no-code platform. It is simple, right? Let's get to it. So first, now we're going to open this Visual Basic, and here you can see we have two labels. First is apple and the second one is banana. So now what we're going to do, we're going to feed images to both of these labels. First we hit on record and canvas open, and we have our apple. Now we are going to rotate the apple so that it can get all sides of the apple. Now from top to bottom, and here we have completed the apple. Now let's hit stop. Now moving on to banana, we have the banana in front of us. Now we hit on record. We will rotate the banana. Now from top to bottom. Okay, again we hit on stop. Now we will hit on train. So now what it is going to do, it's going to extract images from these videos, and on that it will train the model. You might ask, what is the difference between like us going traditionally taking the picture of an apple and saying this is an apple? But you need to understand this, that in that method you are actually trying to cross-reference it or trying to match it with multiple of images. And with this technique, or deep learning technique, you're not actually going to match it with different images, or different images of apple or different images of banana and checking how much probability is there, but you're going to pass it to the deep learning model, and the deep learning model will then tell you whether it is an apple or a banana. Do you actually realize how much computing time and resources you are actually saving by using this extremely simple technique? No need to go with multiple image to image comparisons or different type of comparisons. Just send in the data and you will get your results. As you can see, we have obtained a test accuracy of 99.12%. Okay, so now let's test the predictions. Okay, so here we have an apple. We are going to now capture the data, so we click on capture. Here we have the picture taken, and now we are going to click on test. So it's just going to pass the image to the neural network, and here you can see it has predicted an apple.